Hey there, team user. Ever needed to add another account in Microsoft Team but got lost? Well, don't worry. Today I will show you how to add multiple accounts. Let's go. First, let's fire up Microsoft Teams. Make sure you are signed into your primary account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, click Manage Account or Another Account. Depending on your version, it shows. Now let's add a second account. Click Add Account and enter your another email address. If it's work or school account, enter your credential. If it's a personal account, sign in with your Microsoft login. Click sign in and boom, you are in. If you don't have a second account yet, click create one right there. Now that you have added multiple accounts, here mine is not supporting multiple accounts. If your Microsoft Team is supporting, click on the profile picture again. Under account, you will see all the accounts you added. Take the one you want and Team will instantly switch to it. If the multiple account does not show, use the Microsoft Team web app to open two accounts at the same time, one in the app and one in the browser. And that's it. You have learned how to add and switch account in Microsoft Team. Easy, right? If this was helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more cool tech tips, and don't forget to comment down. And thank you for watching.